Day, what day is it? Day 4? Day 5?
5.
Day 5. On the Senya Land. No, not the Senya Land, that's the other boat, isn't it? The Promised Land. That's Turi back there. Couple of boats on the horizon. Sundance is one, is that right?
Yep.
And the Wandering Star is another. Rangitoto. Capelia has just entered Rangitoto Channel. So as far as we know, we're 4th boat on the water. And there are 3 boats behind us that give us time. One that we give time to. Wandering Star back there somewhere.